Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am very excited because I am packing for my trip to Miami. I'm going to Miami for my friend's bachelorette party, and this is the first time that I've ever been on a bachelorette trip or been to a bachelorette party, so I'm very curious to see how it's going to go, but I just cannot wait for my flight. And I thought it would be really fun to show you all what I am going to take with me. I do want to mention that I won't be launching this video until after I have come back from the trip, just in case I mention any of the activities that we plan to do, because I don't want my friend to hear about it before we actually go. We want to keep a lot of the things a surprise. So so I thought it would be fun to go through the hair products, the skincare products, and then I'll also try on the clothes that I plan to take for you all. And that's it. So we have a lot to go through. So I'll go ahead and get started with the hair products. And I, of course, have to take some Sense products. So for my shampoo and conditioner, I'm taking the Hydrating Cream Hair Bath and Hydrating Cream Conditioner. And these are way too big to take on the plane with me. So I ran to Target and got some little travel containers. I decided to use these instead of the squeeze bottles because a lot of the ones that they have at Target are firm, and it's hard when you have thicker hair products to, one, get it in there, and then two, get it out, especially once you get to the bottom where you only have a little bit left. So I'm gonna try these out this time. I've never used these for my shampoo and conditioner, so we'll see. I did test the leak proof of the product, and I put some water in it, closed the top, and then shook it around upside down, moved it around, and nothing came out. So they seem like they will be very safe and secure, but they don't come with labels. So I took a permanent marker, put C for conditioner, S for shampoo, and then threw a piece of tape over that, and that was just to make sure that it doesn't smear or get on anything else in the bag. And then I'm also going to take the Curlsmith Curl Conditioning Oil and Cream. This will be my leave-in. This is also too big to take on the plane, so got another container for that one and labeled that. And then I am also going to take the in-shower style fixer. And I do plan on making a video on this as well. I may or may not launch it before or after this video, I don't know yet. But I bought this specifically for this trip, so we'll see how it works. It's a gel. It will help my hair, hopefully, to not become frizzy with the wind from the beach and then the humidity from Florida. So I'm gonna test that out. It's extreme hold, so it should be good. I've heard a lot of good things about this product. And the good thing about it for this trip is it's only 2 fluid ounces. So I won't need to put it in any of these containers because it's fine to go on the plane just as it is. And then, of course, I cannot go anywhere without my brush and my toothbrush, just in case I plan to put my hair in a ponytail or a bun or anything like that. So have to have those on hand. And then have to take my silk scarf. And then I'm also going to take my silk pillowcase. And that's it for the hair products. So what I will be using on my skin, I'm still using my African black soap to wash my face. So I just threw that in one of these containers. I've used this container a million times before, so I know that it's leak proof and it's super safe to take on trips. So I always put my soap in here. And then my moisturizers. This is a moisturizer. It's by ISOI, and it's called Intensive Energizing Cream Day and Night. I use this both day and night. I use it more in the nighttime now though, because I have also purchased the Ulta MD Skincare UV Clear. and this is the tinted version. So it's really good for people with darker skin tones because it doesn't give you that ashy look. It's a facial sunscreen that is also pretty moisturizing, and it's really good for people who have acne prone skin. So that's why I decided to try this out, and I really like it. So I use this in the morning and usually this at night. Then I have really bad allergies and it causes my eyes to get really dry, and because they get dry then they create tears, so it's really annoying and it gets like crusty in the corner of my eyes. So to prevent that, I have purchased Sustain Complete, and definitely take this everywhere I go. So I'm gonna pack that with me. And then for my deodorant, still using natural deodorant, I am going to combine Pretty Frank Zinc natural deodorant with my nude deodorant. So sometimes I do this already. I take a little bit of nude and I put it on at night, and then in the morning I take Pretty Frank and put it on just as a second layer, and it works so well. And when I'm not doing that, I use Pretty Frank and I use Pretty Frank's body powder on top, but since it's so messy to take the body powder with me, I decided to just go with the two different deodorants and bring those with me. And of course I have to bring a razor. I do not want to be super hairy on the beach. I'm taking my Burst toothbrush and I'm just putting on one of the Reach little toothbrush protectors so that it doesn't get dirty when I'm traveling. And Burst actually does come with its own little package, so I'm going to put this in here, and since the battery will probably be getting low anytime now, I'm also going to take the charger. I normally just charge it before, but I really don't have time to charge it since I'm leaving out later today. And then taking a small little travel toothbrush. I never take lotion with me, especially when I'm staying in a resort, because they always have really good lotions there. Well, the resorts do. The hotels, some of the hotels don't have the best, but pretty sure the resort I'm staying at will. And then I also purchased this from Target. It was about $9, and I thought this would be really handy to put everything in, so that everything is in one place and I can keep the hotel bathroom clean as I'm there. And it's pretty much going to fit everything that I need in here. So I thought this was really cute, and it's a really good material too. It's, I guess, by Ruby and Cash, but I really love the color of it. So you can see there's still some room in there. So I'll probably throw something else in there if I think of anything else that I need. And that covers all of the skincare and hair care things. Of course, I'm gonna take like a hair tie, some bobby pins, but that's really it. That's all that I'm going to take. I'm just planning on being on the beach, letting my hair flow, throwing on my sunscreen, and that's it. So other things that I think are essential to take are, of course, my AirPods for the plane. I did just purchase some new sunglasses, which I thought were pretty cool. They're super dirty right now, but I decided to get these because I will be driving a lot in Florida and I wear glasses, so I wanted to get some prescription glasses. So those are prescription, and I'll be taking those with me. And then of course, have to take a mask. I'll be taking a few of these, the medical ones, cloth ones, and probably doubling those up on the plane. And then my personal bags, I'll be throwing pretty much all that I just showed you in this bag. And then I always take a blanket with me for the plane as well. So that covers all of that, and I'm going to jump into the first outfit that I plan to wear to the airport, and we'll get started with what I'm planning to wear during the trip. So so this is what I plan to have when I go to the airport. Have my personal bag, my carry-on, and then I also have this really cool neck pillow. I love this neck pillow so much. It has a little strap in the front to make sure that it stays tight, and it's just so comfortable if you're in the middle seat, if you just don't like to lean over. It helps me fall asleep like almost immediately. And then I love to wear athletic wear to the airport. So I'm just gonna wear my Lululemon outfit that you've all seen before. This is what it looks like. So I'm going pretty much all black and pink. All right, so next outfit. All right, after I leave the airport, I will probably put this on because we plan to go to dinner later that day, but we may also go to the beach. So, of course I'm gonna wear a swimsuit, and I forgot to mention the swimsuits earlier. So I'll show you all what swimsuits I'm taking. This is the one that I bought for the trip. So, it has straps, and then this goes around the bottom. It's really cute on. And then these are the bottoms. It has a little belt on it. This is from Victoria's Secret. And then I'm also gonna take a backup just in case that one's wet and I want to wear a different one. So got this from Victoria's Secret a little while ago, a couple years ago actually. And they didn't have the bottoms, so I just grabbed these bottoms from either H&M or Target. They look weird when they're not on, but they're actually pretty cute. High waist bottoms. Right, and then again, this is like my outfit that I'll be wearing when we go and do things. So I got these pants from Banana Republic during COVID, and I only wore them once. So really excited to actually wear these again. And then I got the top from Free People a couple days ago, just for this trip, to kind of dress the pants down a little bit. But I'm really into this color now. I love the color of these pants. I love the little bow tie. All right, so next outfit. So this is my favorite outfit that I'm taking. I just bought this dress. It's by Farm Rio. And I just love how tropical it looks. It's like perfect for the beach. So I cannot wait to take this. I actually purchased it on Saks website. I'm trying to get close enough so you can see it. And then you can see like a little print here. It's just so cute and colorful. And on this day that I plan to wear this, we'll be going on a boat. So it's like the perfect day to wear this. The boat, probably hang out at the beach again, and then go out to eat. All right, so next outfit. All right, so this one is for the same day, but later on we plan to go out, and this is what I'm going to wear when we go out. So this is a dress that I've had for a very long time. Also has some print on it, floral dress, and I really like it because it's mesh in the back. And then it's also mesh in the front a little bit. There it is. So that's it, that's for the night out. All right, next day. So on the very last day, we plan on going to Ocean Drive to go out to eat. Before that, we'll just hang out at the hotel and probably go to the beach again. Probably hang out at the pool. But this is what I plan to wear when we go out to eat. It has a nice little slit in it. Very flowy, again, the same color as those pants that I tried on. So I am really, really loving this color. And you can kind of adjust the length of it. So I think this would be like full length, definitely too long, and it's elastic right here. So I just pull it up so that I don't trip over it. I really love this dress. I got it from, I think it's called Misc or Vici. It's V-I-C-I, and it's a little boutique in California, and they have an online site. So I got it online. So you can see it closer. It has really good reviews, and I see why. It just is super comfortable, flowy, and really pretty on. And I do have one more item to try on, so this is just a backup dress that I'll throw on for you all. So I will be back in just a second. All right, so this is the last dress that I will be taking. And if you haven't noticed already, I'm probably only going to take one pair of shoes just because I don't plan on wearing heels or anything like that. So these pretty much go with everything that I tried on. They're the safest shoes that I have. So I'm just going to pack these. And this is a dress that I got from Macy's a couple years ago. It was actually on sale when I got it, and I just love how colorful it is. So I'm taking this just in case I decide to wear this on one of the days instead. All right, so those are all of the outfits that I plan to take. I do think that I'll just wear that Lululemon outfit again on the plane on my way back home. I mean, why not? It's a dirty plane, so I might as well throw that on before I leave. And I hope that you really enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button. It will help me out a lot, and it will help you so that you aren't missing out on videos that I create like these. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video.